Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to just draw another sketch sample. This sample is much easier than the previous sample, and you can see here we have lines and arcs. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments if you have any questions. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here I have my solidworks open. Here I click on the new part, okay. Here I click on the front plane and I create a sketch plane. So here my sketch is open. We always start with the origin point. So here we have a center line. Here in the line I choose center line, and when I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, my line will be connected to the point here. So here I draw a vertical line. So you can see the yellow symbols here appears, a vertical line, okay. So if you choose a tool here and, for example, draw a line for exiting the line command, just right click and here choose select. So for deleting entity here, just click on the line and then right click and here choose delete. So here we have a horizontal line. Here I choose line, and here we have horizontal line. Sorry, I choose the point here, so an orange point. I draw a horizontal line. Then we have a vertical line here, so I draw a vertical line, a yellow symbol here, you can see. And here we have horizontal line, a horizontal line. Here we have an arc, so here I choose arc, 3-point arc. Here I choose the point here and I draw an arc. Then we have another arc here, so I draw another arc. And here we have another arc, so here I choose the point here and here, and I draw another arc. So I give the dimensions. The dimension from this line to the center line here is 156 millimeter, and the dimension of the line here is 68 millimeter. And hold the control button on your keyboard and choose the arc here and the line here and give it tangent relation. And here choose a smooth dimension and give this line 20 millimeter of dimension. And hold the control button on your keyboard and choose this point, the center of the arc and the center line here, and give it coincidence relation. Now move your sketch a little bit. So move your sketch, and the radius of this arc is 8 millimeter, and the radius of this arc is 15 millimeter, and the radius of the arc here is 20 millimeter. Here we have a problem, so I have to find out what's the problem here. I think here we have given an extra dimension or relation. I'm happy that such a thing happened. Sometimes it happens to your sketch, everything turns to red or yellows. It means that something is wrong here. So here said this dimension is wrong. You can't give it dimension. So in this moment we have to just move our sketch to see what's the problem here. Maybe we have given a wrong relation. So here was the problem. Here I delete the coincident relation, so choose the coincident relation and delete it, and again give it the dimension 20 millimeter, the radius. Okay, it's perfect. Now we have to give the dimension again. This point is horizontal to the point here, and this point is horizontal to this point. So you have to hold the control button and give the relations. And here we have to give another dimension. This point is horizontal to the point here, and you have to again coincident this point and the center line. It's perfect. And we have, I think, another dimension. So choose a smart dimension and give this point and the point here. Dimension is 60. Okay, it's 60. Everything is black. It means that our sketch is fully defined and everything is perfect. Now we have to mirror these entities here to this side of the center line. For doing this, you have to just choose the mirror entity and choose the entities here, the arc, this one, this one, this one, this one, and choose your mirror out, this center line here. So press OK, and you can see all the entities here have been copied to this side of your center line. This was a pretty simple sketch. It was very easy, and it was much easier than the last previous sketch samples. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments and your subscription give me energy to upload my other videos. Thanks for watching this video.